If you want to make the setup for the physical calendar in Microsoft Dynamics 365, you can access General Ledger. Okay, Ledger Setup Physical Calendars. Here you can find the created is the calendar here name is the name. Here under the calendar you can find years. You can change the names for calendar you can find. For example, if I need to create new calendar, so I will put it for example test. Here descriptions name test calendar for training. Okay, start physical year. This one is in the physical years. The first physical year by default is 2018. The length of periods per each month will be 1 month. Then you can click create. So you can find the calendar and this is the years which created to this calendar. If you change this calendar now, you can find the periods and the years for this calendar. Okay. In our examples, our calendars, our years here. Okay. If you need to create new year during this calendar, you click new year. By default, system will generate it. The last one is 2018, so 2019. Copy from last physical year, click yes, click create. So it's create. If you need to create another one, here 2020, click create. Okay. In 2018, for example, you will find in any year you can find the physical period 0 is the start period for the opening transactions, which period 0 from 1 to 1 started and 28 and to 1 January also in the date. Also period 13, which closing for the closing transaction from 31 December to 31 December. You can select any period and you can divide period to two periods. Yeah, for example, it's for January. You can here make it from 16 January. Here 16 February, for example. Here February dash 2 period 2 for February. So you can find February from 1 to 15 is specific periods, and from 16 to 28 another periods. If some organization make closing for half months or like this, you can define periods. Okay. Also, this is a physical this physical calendar. Here in the ledger calendar, okay, you can select your ledger calendar. Here this ledger calendar, you can find the physical years related to this. For example, 2018, you will find the periods here. You can, for example, this January, you can update period status here if it's for example on hold or closed like this, or will be open for transactions. Also, if you need to select this physical calendar in this ledger to be used in your legal entity, you can click edit here to the ledger setup and select the other physical calendar. Once you're finished, click calculate ledger periods in order to keep the physical calendar updated per the legal entity and per the ledger for this legal entity. You will receive operation completed here. Then you click save and close this screen.